Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, today we are gonna talk about some of the important tips and tricks for your upcoming CSIR Net exam. And if you are the one who is preparing for the exam or who has already started the preparation, then what are the things you need to keep in mind? That's what we are gonna talk about today in this video. There are few important things which I think most of you know, but sometimes what happen, you may miss them, right, during your preparation time. So watching this video will be helping you to keep those points in mind, as well as make a list of these points and just mark them if you are going to cover up all these important things. So let's talk about them quickly, and if you're new on this channel, you can subscribe it so that you will not be missing any important updates and important videos, right? So let's go ahead. The first important thing is we always need to check out the previous year question papers, right? So if you are the one who is going to start the preparation now, or who has already started the preparation, check out the previous year question papers of CSIR net exam for whatever stream you are doing the preparation, whether physical science, mathematical science, or any of these, earth science, life science, right? Whatever stream you are preparing for, check out the previous year question papers, and if possible, make a kind of chart or table where you will mention that from which topic you can see the questions frequently asked in the exam. On the other hand, check out like in the part A, part B, and part C, what are the questions they have commonly asked in part C, right? Because you know it has more weightage. So just mention those topics in part C. You can specify different parts, and that will help you to do your preparation in that way that okay, this is more important, this has been asked more frequently in this section, so I need to focus more on that, right? It will be helping you a lot that way. Don't just focus on part C, but also on part A and part B questions. Now the main thing here is like from which section we should start solving the questions in the question paper. So whenever you will be in your exam, it is your personal choice if you want to start with part A, part B, or part C. But if you feel like you feel more confident that in less time you are going to cover up the questions for which have more weightage, so then you can prefer to start with part C, right? Because you know it has more weightage in terms of solving one question, two questions. If you solve just two questions in part A, it doesn't have that much weightage. Part B, it doesn't have that much weightage, but part C will have more, right? So it's your choice, and it doesn't matter. Everybody can have different choice. So if your friend is gonna say I'm gonna start with part C, it's not necessary you have to start with the part C too. If you are comfortable starting from the beginning, part A, part B, and then part C, that's up to you. But practice in such a way that you are gonna do your previous year question papers in the same way. Practice them in same way, right? Now, on the other hand, what are the other things you can do before your exam which will be helping you to do well in your upcoming exam? I would say make the sheets. You can take one big chart and then you can fold it as like one sheet of paper, and then like fold it multiple times. Then note down important concepts from different subjects. Okay, like it can be quantum mechanics, nuclear and elementary particle physics, solid state physics, mathematical physics, okay, all subjects. Or if you are preparing for any other subject too, you can do same thing for your subjects. You can write the important concepts on the different parts of the chart paper, right? So do that so that you will have everything at one place. Once you fill that, you are gonna find it easy to revise those concepts and even to check them out, so it will be easy for you, right? Everything will be at one place for you. Other than this, what you have to do next, you can similarly make your formula notebook. So if you're including all the formulae along with the concepts, that's good. But if no, then you can separately make your formula notebook, and where you will be writing all those formulae, because we know in physics we are having formulae in each subjects, like whether we talk about quantum, nuclear, elementary and particle part, solid state physics, right? Any of the sections, you have the formula there. So you can make a separate same chart paper, you can take and just fold it multiple times and make it like one sheet of paper, and then you can open it, right? So at one place you will have so many formulae, and it will be easy for you to revise them. And the number of times you will be doing that revision, it will be helping you a lot to like relate the right formula at the right place and right concept in the right question, right? And solve previous year questions as many times as you can. That will really be helping you. Now, revision is very, very, very important. So, as many number of times as you can do the revision, that will be great. Okay, try to do the revision multiple times. Even if you have the standard reference books, you can do one thing. You can even check out their solved questions, because sometimes you may expect direct questions from the standard reference books, and then checking out those solved questions can even help you to get more ideas about how to solve a question, what needs to be done, what steps are expected or followed. Okay, so that will be helping you in one or in other way, but that's very important to do. Okay, now after considering all these things, next thing is that when you are going to solve the previous year question papers, don't go for all the solved questions, right? Like which are already solved. Try to solve them on your own, and if you have the answers, later on check out those answers, right? That will be helping you again to know how well you are able to relate the concepts, and what are the other things you have to work on. What are the things which are required, like some kind of modification you have to work on them, like all that you will get to know, right? So these are most important things. And the last but not the least, that's like believe in yourself, you can do it. Stay confident. Okay, don't just consider what other person is doing, how they are preparing, but yes, if you like something, you can surely follow that too, and that will be really helping you. I will try to provide you some more important tips and tricks. Along with that, some of the concepts we will try to cover up in our upcoming videos. But yes, if you started your preparation and you are the one like who is already in the process of completing or finishing up your preparation, then you can try to include these things. And other than that, keep it in mind that how much negative marking is there in each section, so that you will get to know that if you're randomly, like let's say you are not confident about one answer and you are randomly going to pick an answer, you should know how it's going to impact your marks, right? So be careful about that. Be prepared that how many number of questions you are expected to do in each section. That will even help you to get ready for your upcoming exam very well. You will be confident enough, right? So I hope these points will be helping you. But on the other side, if you are having any questions, anything particularly you want me to answer or cover in upcoming videos, you can just comment about that and we will try to consider. It was just a short video and it was after a long time. So I think anybody who is watching the video for the first time on this channel, you can check out the previous videos too, which will be helping you a lot, right? There are many concepts, related tricks, and many other videos you will find on this channel. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and just keep on doing your preparation. Thank you.